If you have been uploading your video this way in 2025, then you are doing the wrong things on YouTube. You have not been getting views, you have not been getting subscribers, you have not been getting any watch hour. Your click-through rate is very, very low. It means that you have been uploading your videos the wrong way on YouTube. And now, while you are doing this, you are not making your YouTube to be well optimized. Like your channel is not searchable, your videos are not searchable. It's because you are uploading your videos the wrong way. And now in this video I am going to be showing you how to upload your videos the right way on YouTube. Yes, we are going to be doing the right things because we are going to a new year and we are going to the end of the year. So you need to know what you are doing on YouTube as a creator. You don't need to just be doing your things the normal way that you know how to do them. You need to do your things the right way if you want to grow on this YouTube space. Now if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to be able to get to monetization and earn money on YouTube. And now if this is the video you have been looking for, don't let this be your last. Click the subscribe button and then join this family, and so you will not be able to miss any of my future uploads. Now let's dive into this juicy part. Now what you need to do, the first thing you need to do when you want to upload your video is rename that video to the title of the video or to the title that you want to upload on YouTube. That is, if the title of your video is 4,000 watch hour in 7 days, that is the name you are going to use to rename that video on your phone. So what you are going to do is, once you have downloaded your video from any app you have used to edit your video, whether DaVinci, InShot, CapCut, once you have downloaded that video on your phone, you are going to go to that video and rename the video. Like, you are going to resave that video as a file on your phone. And while you are doing that, you are going to save it with the title you want to use specifically on YouTube. If you want to, whatever title you want to use, whether it is very long or not, use the whole of that title to rename that video. It's even better for you because you are going to be able to trace that video. We are going to be able to locate that video easily when you want to upload on YouTube. Now the second thing you are going to do is you are going to go to your YouTube studio, the desktop version, that is studio.youtube.com, and upload your video. Yes, do not upload your video using the mobile app. Do not upload your long form content using the mobile app. Now when you have done this, when you have opened your interface on the YouTube studio, the desktop version app, you are going to click create. And once you click create, you are going to see an option where it's telling you to upload a video, go live and all that. So you are going to choose the option of uploading a video. When you upload your video, you are going to see where it's going to show you to select the file you want to upload. Now you are going to click on it and it's going to show you choose a file, record a file, or a photo library. It's going to show you photo library, choose a file, and choose a file. Make sure that you do not choose photo library, because when you choose photo library, that means you want to select that video directly from your photos, from your videos, where you did not save it as a file, where you did not rename that video. Please do not do that, especially for iPhone users. I don't know how it works for Android users, but for iPhone users, do not choose photo library. Choose file. That is what you are going to choose. Choose file. When you choose file, it's going to take you to your document where you have already saved that video and optimize the title there, and then you click on it. And once you click on it, you notice something happening here. Is you notice that YouTube is going to see that video file. Your video file is going to change. It's not going to be showing video blah 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 blah. It's not going to show any type of encrypted words anymore. It's going to show how to get your 4,000 watch hour in 7 days. That is what is going to show there. And it's also going to show on your title. That file that you have renamed, that file, topic file you have renamed, is going to show on your title. That is why you should always make sure that you use keywords that are searchable. Keywords that are searchable for your niche. For my niche, the keywords that are searchable are how to get your 1,000 subscriber, how to get your 4,000 watch hour, how to monetize your YouTube channel. Those are keywords that are searchable for my niche. And once I have already inculcated that into my video file, it is very easy for people that are coming to YouTube to search for those type of content to see my video first. Now, once you have done that, you are going to optimize your description. You are going to put your timestamp on your description, your video links to your other playlist on your description, your URL, that is your YouTube link, that's your YouTube URL link to subscribe to your channel. Put it in your description. And if you have any other thing, any other information you want to pass to your subscribers, that is maybe your ebook that you sell or your affiliate marketing link or whatever, put it in your, this is the right time to put that in your description. Do you know why you are doing this? It's to be able to drive traffic to your other source of income, to your other sources where you are getting money from. Now, once you have done that, then you go ahead and click on altered content. You click no, because why you are clicking no is because you are telling YouTube that your content is not made by AI, it's made by you. So always click no so that they can be able to push your videos to humans that are going to watch your videos. Once you have done that, you are going to click if your video is made for kids or not. If you have already done that on your background or if you have already set that on your YouTube studio before, it's going to automatically set it to no, because you have already done that setting before. Then once you have done that, then you check other things that you need to check. Then this video will keep uploading, and once it has uploaded to 100% and it has done its checking to 100% and it says no issue, then you can progress to the next stage. What usually happens in the next stage is that you're going to see where you add your cards in your end screen. Make sure you do this. When you add cards and end screen to your video, it makes sure that your older video keeps getting views, and you are also linking your videos for your, you are also telling your subscriber that they can watch other of your content that you have already done before in case they miss it. That is why you are linking your cards and your end screen. Then when you are done with this, then it's going to tell you that you should add your subtitle and all that. You can skip this part and go back and redo it again. When you have done that, then you can now click on listed. Or if you know that you are done with all your video optimization, then you can schedule your video. Please do not put it in public instantly, because if you put it in public instantly, you are trying to tell YouTube that you don't want them to check your video, you don't want them to process your video before they publish your video. Please put your video on schedule your video, and again, make sure that you schedule your video 2 hours to your posting time. Yes, make sure you schedule it 2 hours ahead of time. Do not schedule like in 10 minutes time or 30 minutes time. Schedule 2 hours ahead of time. It will allow YouTube to be able to take in all that information that you have putting into your channel and be able to process your video properly and push your videos to the right audience. Now, the second reason why you are putting your video on schedule is that when you have put your video on schedule and it's already saved to your channel, this will give you ample time to be able to copy the link of that video and promote your video by yourself. Like, you can promote your video to your WhatsApp community, to your TikTok community, to your friends and families that are going to watch your video. Please, emphasis on those that are going to watch your video. Please, those that are going to watch your video from beginning to ending, those that want to support you, those that are ready to watch your videos. Make sure that you are promote your videos to them and you get a lot of views before that video goes published. Because once you promote your videos by yourself and your video go publish, YouTube will have already seen that a group of people have already viewed this video and they love it and they want to push it to more people. Because if you promote your videos to those that are not going to watch your video, I'm very sorry, your video is going to die before 24 hours of upload. So make sure that you are not promoting your video to those or group of people that are not going to watch your videos. So once you have done this, you will see that your video will start performing well and you'll be wondering, Is it magic? No, it's strategy. Once you implement all these strategies I have already said in this video on how to upload your video the right way and how to publish your video, you will see that you start having significant change in your videos. Your videos will start having views, your video will start having subscribers, and your watch hour will start climbing up. So once you have done this, once you are done with this, then you can now start putting your thumbnail and all that. Then you can now go ahead and publish you can now go ahead schedule your video, and the video, to the time that you schedule it, is going to publish as at that time that you schedule it. So make sure that you are doing this the right way. Make sure that you are always, every video you want to post on YouTube, make sure you are always publishing it through the YouTube Studio Chrome desktop version. I know that it is very hard, I know that it is taxing, I know that it is not easy, but you have to do it, because that is where your video will get the optimization it needs for YouTube to recommend your video to other people and to your subscribers and to other creators that needs your value and your video. That is how your video will be able to get traction on YouTube. So when you have done this, after you have done this, if you want to get your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscriber, watch this video right here. I'm going to be linking this video here, and you are going to be able to get your 4,000 watch hour within 30 days or within 60 days. And now I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.